the riders are also feeding to them as they go through.
Og så vi altså lige feltet komme ind over målstregen her med Maria, hvor vi skal lige se, hvad der var sket med ham. Et lille styrt, som sætter ham noget tilbage. Vælgeren Sean DeVries, efter Sean Kelly.
And it looks as if Mr. DeVries is going to get right back in without too much of a bother. We'll see if he goes back to the medical car. For years, you know, I didn't know what went on back in this car. There's a real order to how the cars are positioned. And normally you have call it one is right behind the field. And you'll see a lot of guys going back there. The medical car is great for the rider.
Så er der altså lige vognen, som er efterfulgt
very comfortably.
Med en fyr med et stykke kris og et stopur, og kigger op på uret, og det er altså den måde, han sidder og tager en tidsmåling her. Og lige snart at tidsmålingen er klar, så kører han op og skriver tiden på tavlen, og så kører op til de forreste rytter, og det er den måde, de får informationer. Der er altså ikke nogen forholdsbiler, der er ikke nogen
sidder på flere.
Hold godt fat i kasketten, ikke?
Starting to become animated in this. World Championships on the line. You can see the Australians starting to get a little bit more active, moving up. Uh-oh, we might zone right here. Look at Australia. They're trying to stay out of trouble. Guys want to stay to the left and stay out of trouble. You want to get a bottle and go. They are now. They can see them. They can see the caravan. Here is your breakaway. 4 to go. 4 laps to go. 4 laps to go. The breakaway goes over. We look to the watch right now. Brought to you by Tissot Timing.
Var først i rullefeltet på et lille hul, og så sidder vi altså også Australieren Michael Hepburn har bevæget sig frem i feltet, og det er altså nogle af de store navne.
Look at Preidler. Look at how good the Austrian is going.
Nu kommer de.
Look at this. They're going to get the time board. They're going to measure that gap on Preidler. Smooth on those pedals. Beautiful ride right now by the Austrian. Just got to keep going. It's a significant move. Probably going to go across the gap to the leader.
Som han har fået et rigtig hul. Jeg er ude på Udskov over det. Så jeg tænker, at det er meget også holder til. Tyske Level, og herude har Østrig fået et pænt hul ned til feltet.
France coming in. 1, 2, 1, 2, It'll be 3 laps to go for the riders when they hit the line, and it is now. This breakaway is trying to survive.